Quick reading for June the 1st to June the 2nd, Taurus. Your cards are the Queen of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Sun. Napapansin natin ngayon na parang ibinibigay ni person yung ating mga request, no? Pero hindi yun agad-agad nangyari. Kasi dumating yung time na medyo nainis tayo, nagalit, or pwedeng nagtampo, no? Parang dumaan muna tayo sa isang pagsubok bago natin makukuha itong ating mga request kay person. With the 3 of Pentacles and the 10 of Pentacles, parang ngayon palang nagsisink in kay person, whether this is a thing, or it can be an event or actions, no? Na request mo kay person, ngayon palang nagsisink in sa kanya na, ay oo nga, no? May katuturan, or importante yung sinabi sa akin, no, ni Taurus. Kaya with the 10 of Pentacles, ito yung giving the request or whatever this may be ng wholeheartedly, no? So this is your quick reading, Taurus, for for June the 1st to June the 2nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.